What's going on? We're back with another video with Mazza here. Unfortunately, Bessa cannot be here, so we have another guest who you might have just heard in the background there. Yes, welcome back, Toz. What are you saying for today, Toz?
Realistically, it's 3-2 Burton. Like, if I'm going for like one of them hooligans, I'm going for 3-2 Burton. Realistically, 3-2 Bournemouth. But either way, up the Brewers.
Wait, team on you.
We're winning the cup.
I'm going for I'm also going to go for a 3-2 Brewers victory. I'm going to go for one of the Forest games.
You Brewers.
Brewers! Muslims going for Harry Wilson. Brilliant.
We are me.
See you kickoff. We're ready. Toss is ready. We're ready. The stadium's ready.
Why
ready.
3-4 boys? Oh yeah, now admit it's only one.
Let's go on. Come on. 4 minutes till kickoff. Come on.
We are me.
We are me. We are me. We are me. We are me. We are me. We are me. Come on, lads. We are made!
He totally didn't know. Oh my god. We need to press him though, to be honest. I would just start Dyer out.
Would you?
Yeah! Why to keep it then?
Too deep.
You recording that? Whoa!
Too deep to find anyone. Start though. Come on!
Who was that? Was that boy's name?
So all over these at the minute.
Come on, Albion!
Come on, Albion!
What boy say?
Brilliant game!
Come on, lads! I'm seeing a second there.
Yeah. Yeah.
One.
Oh, no. Oh my god, that was close. Another corner. Jamie, what is going on?
Oh my god.
We've been insane, haven't we?
2-0, 2-0.
Predicting 2-0 here. guys. O'Hara is down.
Yeah, O'Hara.
It was a collision with Ryan Fraser.
It was a great save though.
What a save.
I'll give him that.
He's been down for about a minute and a half now. It's not looking good. Livesy over there warming up.
Yes!
There he goes. Oh, Kieran O'Hara.
What, Kieran? Imagine if you pulls off a banging save.
I reckon they will bring him on.
No, they won't. Get it out! Walid O'Hara! Get in there! That's half time.
Still got the 1-0 lead, haven't we, Thomas?
Yeah, 1-0. Half time. Sarkits, what can you say?
How do you think we played in that first half?
Did alright. Good pressing from Naughty. Just need final balls needs to be a bit better.
I think we need to take a few more shots.
Take more time with the ball.
Yeah.
I'm saying I might bring, in my opinion, I would have. I'll bring Aiken. No, I'll bring Boise off Dyer. Give him a chance.
Rest Boise for the weekend. Welcome Dyer back.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah. Or I'll take Templeton off of Boise.
Bit of a nervy moment at the end, though, wasn't it?
Yeah, I know.
It is. Oh no.
Well, Wilson's coming on. We're gonna like see now.
Harry Wilson's doing it.
Well, all I'm saying is, good game.
No. That's not allowed. Harry Wilson's coming.
That's mine.
He's gonna score. We know it.
We lost.
We're gonna lose by 1. Anyway, yeah, a bit nervous when O'Hara went down.
Yeah, I know, yeah, great save it was, wasn't it?
It was,
Come
yeah.
back, outside the edge of the box. Yeah, Ryan Fraser would have it, and then just putting his life on the line.
Alright?
Run.
Anyway.
What I'm saying is, we're winning tonight, 2-1. Off the
Yes,
lads.
2-1. Brewers. Second goal is going to be scored, mark my words, Lloyd Dyer.
This is the paragraph from this evening.
Why is he there? Wait.
Has to be settled this
Harry
evening.
Wilson will score for them.
Shoot of the game.
No, I know who's scoring for them. Jake Buxton.
Own goal.
Yeah.
We'll see exactly what happens, what the outcome is at the end of the second half.
Up the Brewers.
Yes, and that. Up the Brewers. See you in the second half.
Come on.
Come on!
Come on. Oh, you did not work.
I did that on purpose, you man. Wilson is on. Wilson is on, yes. Wilson is on.
But
We're doing a very good job at keeping him away from the ball so far.
no, he's going to have him in his pocket all off me. Guarantee.
About 3 minutes into the second half, we're still 1-0 up.
Up the lads, come on. Was that Gillingham last season?
Boise's down. Dyer's warming up.
Dyer! Ah, Dyer! Love him. Love him. Absolute beast.
I want Dyer on.
We want Dyer on.
So we want Dyer on.
We are Dyer on. Oh, sandwiched.
He's pretty sandwiched, isn't he?
Sandwich. Oh, Mo. That's that ball, surely.
Yeah, it is our ball. No one there.
Reese has got that. Yep. The passion. Reese. He's outstanding.
Also great ball. Broadhead's on it.
Skin him! Look at that.
Come on! The floodlights have gone out here.
Come on! Hey!
Go! Hey! This is the floodlights are back on and we're back underway. Well, that was a good chance for Harry Wilson to recharge though, which is a bad thing. Oh! Wilson fell over. Gone off again.
Oh, Aikens! Come here! Come on, lads! Aikens!
can't cancel that.
Yeah, they have to now. Twice it's happened, so they have to cancel it. Twice now.
In the dark.
You said that they'd get off, yeah.
How much did Bournemouth pay them?
They keep paying them to turn the lights off.
Come on, you have to cancel the game now. Yeah, when we're 1-0. In it.
They'll abandon it and then they'll replay it.
The inside one's got the back on slowly though.
Yeah, but that happened the first time.
Jesus, we were just like standing on the pitch on the start, waving our lights. Yeah. Carry on, mate. You got Floodlight. My eyes were clean. Imagine power off now. Yeah.
What an eventful night. If I sit down, you can't see me. This time we're not.
Are you videoing there?
Yes.
You are?
Liverpool have scored again.
Who? Imagine Liverpool through that score. Who scored it?
I'll have a look at it. No. No.
Back out, look.
2 times. Yeah, you have to cancel it now. What they should be singing is let's pretend, let's pretend, let's pretend.
Let's pretend we've got some lights.
Yeah. Let's pretend we've got some lights.
They're back on. For how long? We don't know. Look at a shot that's gone out for a throw-in. Jesus Christ. The lights have gone off for a third time. Oh, that's the time. Well, the lights have gone off for a third time, and that means that the game's called off. I guess that all I can say really is, what the hell just happened? What the hell just happened to us?
3 times, my God! What is going on, mate?
Well, I suppose all I can say now is thank you for watching.
How did you know it went out again?
The game has been called off because the lights have gone off 3 times.
Who's won?
I think it'll be replayed on another date. I think it's just been full on called off.
It only happened 3 times.
That's it.
I did say to everyone the players, but
As if this could happen.
give it about 10 minutes to be on.
Yeah.
Oh, imagine
Thanks
it
for
starts
watching.
coming back on now.
And you can't even see my face, but
Well, full time 1-0.
we'll see you when we play Bolton. Peace. No, the game's not finished. We're about 28 minutes of added time.
28 minutes.
He's he said just to confirm 28 minutes.
28 minutes of added time.
Yeah.
Jesus.
TJ, we're 90th minute. How do you feel? We're winning still. Oh, God.
I would say we're deep into added time, guys.
28 minutes added on.
I think we're about 6 minutes into 28 added minutes. Not in this ref. Aiken just got for no reason. Come on! Yes! Shoot! Somebody hit it! Help in! Oh! Very nearly at 3! Boys will do this thing, even there for it.
facing number 9, Nathan Broadhead. Going on 23, Floodlight.
Yay! 3 minutes to either hang on or get another. Come on. Lovely from Dyer.
Oh my god!
Dyer.
Actually
Finished. It's actually finished
Come
this
on!
time.
2-0!
After 28 minutes of added time, we not only held on but doubled our lead to secure our place in the last 16 for the second consecutive year. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you when we play Bolton. I might not be going to the Anderson under 21s one, so thanks for watching.
Up the Brewers!
That's it from me, that's it from Charles, and we'll see you against Bolton.
Up the Brewers!
Peace!